on lookout. I think if anything happens, anyone comes out, they're most likely to come from this house. This should be the priority, but ideally we find a lookout position where this house can be seen and this road and this main road can be seen.
Here we are inside of a piggery. We're in a farrowing shed. There's infant piglets suckling on their mothers. They can hardly turn around. They look very sad. They look very sad and like they've been suffering. What a nightmare for them. It's okay. Hello. There's so many of them in here. This lady here looks like she can't even stand up. She looks exhausted. Absolutely exhausted. Poor baby. Look at her. There's a dead piglet over here. A little baby that's passed away. This poor mother here. So right next to her face in the feed tray is one of her dead piglets. How horrible. And she cannot even get up or try to help or do anything. I mean, how that must feel, I would never imagine. Just how tormenting that must be. There's actually another dead piglet behind this one here. Look at her face. She's got a whole litter. Hello. These beautiful little babies. Hello, darling. They're like little puppy dogs. They'll grow them for 6 months or so, and then they'll send them to the slaughterhouse. Once the sows can't produce piglets anymore, they go to a gas chamber too. So that's all they've ever known, these animals, is eternal suffering. After all that suffering, they go to a gas chamber. This little baby. There's just feces all in here, just their waste is just everywhere. Poor babies. So one of the piglets here has a flap of skin like just peeled off of his or her back. Looks really badly injured. Pigs don't go to the toilet where they sleep. They're very clean animals in the right environment, and they are forced to live in their own waste here. So many little piglets here. So much suffering. They look like they just want to give up. look at this little... bred into existence to be used and just left to die. Just left to die like an object. This poor little baby. It's almost better to have died young than to have lived a life like this. Little babies like this, bred into existence for the meat industry, for bacon. Helpless little soul. Alright, time for us to go now. What a horrible hellhole for these animals. I'm lost for words. I'm really lost for words. I wish we could save them all, but it's just not possible. But the best thing we can do is stop consuming products from animals. Please, please look at this. We are eating out of this hellhole. Human beings are eating out of a hellhole, causing unnecessary suffering for no reason. Choose vegan. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta go. Just let the rise together. It's time for us as a people to start making some changes. Let's change the way we eat, let's change the way we live, and let's change the way we treat each other. You see, the old way wasn't working, so it's on us to do what we gotta do to survive. And still I see no changes.